This lesson is a free PDF file that you can download, a guide on how to create your own natal astrology chart. We're going to use a free but extremely well-regarded resource called Astro.com or Astrodienst. It's one of the most valuable and insightful resources of astrology knowledge you will use on your learning journey. In the past, I've created a video lesson on how to create a natal chart, but people have struggled with the process of stopping and starting the video as they follow the guide. Having it in a PDF form means you can follow this on your phone or in another tab of your browser as you follow the steps, which is easier and smoother. Now, I'm going to assume you are successful at creating your chart, and I recommend creating and having a copy of your chart open in front of you as you move through the lessons ahead. But let's bring up a chart as an example, and I'll give you a heads up of what we are looking at. Around the center of the chart are the houses, starting from house 1 through to house 12. Now, before you ask, yes, the first house is at the 9 o'clock point rather than 1 o'clock, and the house progresses in a counterclockwise progression rather than clockwise. We're not going to cover that in this course, but there is a reason for this, and it's covered in another course. Now, each house is ruled by a sign, and you can see the symbol for that sign here. So in this chart, the third house is ruled by Leo, and the ninth house is ruled by Aquarius. Now we're going to be focusing on 3 points: the Sun, Moon, and the Ascendant. The symbol for the Sun looks like this. This is the Moon. The Ascendant is always at the 9 o'clock point of the chart, on the cusp between the first house and the 12th house. Now you should already know what your Sun sign is. Find the Sun in the chart, and it should be in the sign you're expecting to see it in if you have entered your birth data correctly. But also take note of the house it occupies. In this chart, it is in the 9th house. Now, find the Moon on your chart and take note of the house it occupies and the sign ruling that house. In this chart, the Moon is ruled by Leo and is in the 3rd house. Finally, go to the 9 o'clock point of the chart and take note of the sign the Ascendant, the AC, occupies. This is your Ascendant sign. You now know the house and sign your Sun and Moon occupy and your Ascendant sign, your big 3. And follow me into the lessons ahead. We're going to take a look at exactly what that means for you. Ready? Good. Let's go.